This protocol describes the regular care and maintenance of a zebrafish laboratory. Due to the spur of interest in zebrafish research, the need to establish and maintain a zebrafish housing facility is also increasing. Although literature is available for the maintenance of a zebrafish laboratory, a concise video protocol is lacking. This video explains system maintenance, feeding, breeding and raising of zebrafish larvae.
Hi, I am Abdesh from School of Medical Sciences at Itkoven University.
Hi, I'm Manchi from the same institution.
Today we are going to show you regular care and maintenance of a zebrafish laboratory. Zebrafish are becoming popular in genetics, pharmacological and behavioral research due to their high fecundity, ease of maintenance and rapid development.
They are highly amenable to genetic manipulation and suitable for high-throughput drug screening. This protocol would provide ideas of zebrafish husbandry to those fish users and the researchers who are considering of establishing a new fish facility.
So, let's get started.
Several companies provide zebrafish systems, but we use systems from aquatic habitats in our laboratory. Zebrafish are kept at 26 to 28.5 degrees Celsius and a 14 to 10 light to dark cycle. Zebrafish are kept in a circulating system which continuously filters and aerates the system water to maintain the water quality required for a healthy aquatic environment. The system utilizes a set of filters of different types. Within our system, water from the tanks passes through a filter pad, canister filter, biological filter, active carbon filter and UV filter before being circulated.